Hello everyone. Today we started chapter 1, the story of village Palampur from economics. In this chapter we learn about introduction of story, introduction of village, organization of production, farming method and non-farming activities in Palampur. Let's start with introduction of story. The story of village Palampur has purpose to introduce some basic concept relating to production, and this we do through a story, an hypothetical story village called Palampur. Okay. So the introduction of villages. Palampur is well connected with neighboring village and towns. Raiganj is a big village which is 3 kilometers away from Palampur. In this village, there is 450 families belonging to different caste, the 80 upper caste families and the remaining is SC. The SC Dalit comprise 1/3 of the population. Palampur is well developed village. So Palampur has 2 primary school and 1 high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary. Okay. Palampur has many production activities. Farming is the main production activity, and non-farming activities include like small manufacturing industries, small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. So the next topic is organization of production. The organization of production require 4 types of production goods and services. First is land, second one is labor, third one is physical capital, which is classified into 2 parts, fixed capital and working capital, and fourth one is human capital. Let's start with first requirement, land. Land is first requirement, and other with natural resources like water, forest, minerals, etc. Second requirement is labor, that is people who will do the work. Some production activities required highly educated workers. Other activities required workers who can do manual work. Third requirement is physical capital. Physical capital means the variety of inputs required at the every stage of production. Okay, so the physical capital is divided into 2 parts, 2 categories. First one is fixed capital. Fixed capital means like tool, machines, building, and long run requirement of a business can be used in production over many years. Long run means many years, and these are called fixed capital. Second one is working capital, means raw material, cash in hand. These are working capitals which are used daily routine, day-to-day work. So the fourth requirement is human capital. Now, that means need of knowledge, enterprise to be able to put these all production parts together, like land, labor, physical capital and other, to produce an output. So this requirement is called human capital. Okay. So the next topic is farming method. Palampur is well developed village, that's why farmers used modern farming method. In late 1960s, when green revolution is introduced, the Indian farmer cultivate wheat and rice using high yield varieties HYVS of seeds. So HYVS seeds needed plenty of water and also chemical fertilizers and some pesticides. So these all are the factor of modern farming method. Factors, first factor is HYV seed, that means high yield variety seeds. Second thing is fertilizers. Next thing is pesticides. Farming machineries like tractor and other equipments which required diesel. And next is irrigation. So irrigation in modern farming method, irrigation is done by using canals, pump set dam, electricity, etc. Okay. So the next topic is non-farm activities in Palampur. Mostly in Palampur, farmers engaged in agriculture, production activities, farming method. But other about 25% peoples working in Palampur are engaged in non-farming activities other than agriculture. These activities are dairy, small manufacturing, transport, and shopkeeping. So first one is dairy. Dairy is a common activities in many families. People feed their buffaloes, cows, and other animals grass, jowar, and bajra grown during the rainy season, and then sold the milk in Raiganj and other villages, near villages. In small manufacturing involve very simple production methods in which farmers do work on small labor, mostly at home or field with the help of family laborers. In shopkeeping peoples involve in trade, exchange of goods, services, etc. The trader of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from the wholesaler from big cities and sell them into the village. Transport, Palampur is well developed, so that's why there is various type of mode of transports, variety of vehicles connecting Palampur to other cities and villages. Vehicles like auto rickshaw, tangas, jeep, tractor, truck, etc. These type of peoples involved in transport services. I hope you understand all these things. Thank you. Hello everyone.